Keep the area clear. Bring the lights up higher.
Keep the blower steady at section 4. Watch the starboard wing plating.
Confirmed. Moving to scrape the lower fuselage.
Watch out, big piece coming down.
Got it.
Got it. Keep spraying the top.
Check the starboard rib, it's shifting. Roger, holding steady on the port side. Control, we have alignment on the starboard wing. Tension check complete. Roger that, sector gamma. Proceed with the main lift sequence, slow and steady.
Keep the pressure steady on that joint.
All right, moving to the next section now.
Position the system right under the wing assembly. We'll start high and work our way down. Make sure those drainage channels are clear.
Check the rear spar. Looks like a stress fracture near the joint.
I see it. The corrosion here is worse than expected.
The structural fatigue on the starboard wing is worse than expected.
And the corrosion near the hydraulics.
The fractured metal panels here are critical.
Before we cut the flow. It's
We have ice breaking free. Keep lifting slowly.
Roger that. Pressure holding steady at 5,000 psi.
Clear below. Continue ascent.
This hydraulic line shows microfractures near the coupling. Acknowledged. I'll flag it for level 3 analysis immediately.
Hold it steady, just a little lower on the left side. Copy that, easy on the left. it there. Lower it slowly.
Copy that. Ready the cranes for unloading Bay 3.
Clear on the left side.
Roger that. Coming up slowly. Looks good. Pressure steady.
Guide it to the mounting point. Slow and steady.
Hold position. We have clearance.
Confirmed aligned.
Looks good. Start the hydraulic lift sequence.
Engaging hydraulics now.
Easy, slowly raise it to the platform.
Verify the alignment on the port stabilizer, then we can sign off on these harnesses. Laser scan is within tolerance. Ready for sign off.
Clear the platform on Sector 4.
Copy that. We are aligned. Hold position.
Bring it forward, easy now. Aligning collar engaged. Confirmed green on the coupling. Final torque applied.
Ensure the X9900 conduit aligns perfectly with the junction box specifications. Confirmed. The alignment is within tolerance.
Alignment on the forward mount is stable. Bring it down 5 millimeters.
Confirmed. Watching the laser grid now.
Lower hydraulics, easy now. We have alignment on pylon 3. Confirmed. Starboard side clear, drop it slowly. Bring it down 50 millimeters. Perfect. Engaging the main clamps now. It's secure.
Hangar control, beam approaching port joint, confirm green.
Solid green. Maintain pressure.
Locking sequence initiated.
Suction engaged. Begin lift sequence.
Confirmed. Lifting slowly. Keep the ascent steady.
Okay, lower it slowly. Watch the left side. Easy, E. Keep it coming down. Looks aligned. Secure it now. Steady now. Watch the hydraulic ports. I see them. Almost seated.
Laser alignment shows green. Tolerance at 0.01.
Confirmed. Ready for final seating. Check the laser calibration on joint 42. We have a deviation. Rerunning the diagnostic sequence.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Copy that. Moving to position 9. Panels are cleared for installation.
Extension looks smooth on the port side gear.
Cycle complete. Recording finalized metrics now.
Power cycle the rear assembly now. Systems check complete. All lights synchronized and drawing nominal power.
Check the viscosity on section Gamma 6.
Holding steady at 30 centipoise. Coverage looks uniform.
Copy that. Maintain the angle of attack on the curve.
We have stabilized at 70%. All parameters in the green.
Confirmed. The Frost Titan lives again. Initiating full system synchronization, check power bus 2 and 3. Power levels are nominal, all avionics green, systems online. Electrical integration complete, test sequence armed. Powering up lights now. Stand clear.